First, watch this.
The sun just turned blue, and everything starts changing. Day 1. The sky shifts to a strange icy blue glow. Shadows look sharper. Day 2. Temperatures drop slightly. People notice the cold sunlight.
These videos are getting millions of views, and many of you asked me to make a tutorial on how to create them. So in this video, I'll show you how to make high-quality viral skeleton videos completely for free. Let's get started. First, copy the master prompt I created for you. You'll find the link in the description or download it from my Telegram channel. Paste this prompt into ChatGPT. When you run it, ChatGPT will generate 10 viral video ideas for you. Or you can enter your own idea, something like, what if you were teleported into an ancient city? Feel free to use your imagination. For this example, I'll choose idea number 1. ChatGPT will now generate a clean script plus visual prompts based on your idea. Now we need a voiceover. Go to AI Studio, it's free. Click on Text-to-Speech, choose the first model, then select Single Speaker. Pick any voice you like, paste your script, and click Generate. Your voiceover will be ready in seconds. Download it. Step 2. Generate images. Now we'll use Flow AI. Open Flow AI and create a new project. Upload the reference image, link is in the description. Go back to ChatGPT, copy your first image prompt and paste it into Flow AI. Use the same settings for consistent results. Flow will generate 2 images. Download the one you like. Repeat this process for all prompts. Always attach the reference image with every prompt. Now we turn images into videos. Click back and create a new project. Use the same settings for consistent results. Upload your first image. Copy the same prompt you used for generating that image and paste it into Flow AI. Flow gives 150 free credits on sign-up. Each video costs 20 credits. It gives you 50 credits daily. Use them wisely or create another account after you run out. Download your video. Repeat this for all images. Now open any video editor. Import voiceover, all clips. Add the voiceover to the timeline. Then add your clips. Important step. Trim clips into 1-second pieces for the intro. Align them with the first line of your voiceover. Then place the full clips again and match them with the voiceover. When day 1 starts, show day 1 clip. Continue syncing everything. Final touches. Add transitions, add sound effects, add background music, add subtitles. If you're using CapCut, just use auto captions. Once done, export your video. And that's it. You just created a high-quality viral skeleton short. Subscribe for more viral AI niches. See you in the next video.